Diesel Full Guard 2.5 Smartwatch hands-on and quick reviews with Wear OS-like features. Diesel has launched a new touchscreen smartwatch that comes with features such as heart rate tracking, NFC payment capabilities, and GPS tracking. The new Full Guard 2.5 touchscreen smartwatch, which is compatible with both iPhone and Android phones, is powered with Wear OS by Google and Snapdragon Wear 2100 SoC. Diesel has also optimized features, including rapid charging, music control, customizable watch faces, and smartphone notifications. Other features include heart rate tracking. The watch automatically tracks your heart rate across multiple types of workouts using Google Fit or third-party apps. Payment technology. This makes purchases via your NFC-enabled smartwatch using Google Pay. GPS distance tracking. One can leave their phone at home when going for a walk, hike, ride, or run with built-in GPS that records the distance right on a smartwatch. Assist on the wrist. One can ask questions and give commands directly to their smartwatch via Google Assistant. Swim-proof technology. It is Atm Water-Resistant. Weather filters. Lastly, the display dial effects change based on local weather behavior. As conditions arise, you will be notified via weather animations that appear on the display, such as ice, snow, rain, severe thunderstorm and, now, with the addition of cloudy, foggy, and humidity, as per the company. The smartphone comes in 4 options: a matte steel case on a black leather strap, a gunmetal steel case on a brown leather strap, a matte black steel case on a black silicone strap, and an all-over gunmetal stainless steel case on a 3-link bracelet. And the customizable dials include the neon flicker dial, which changes color automatically throughout the day, and the heart rate dial creates a rippling water effect with the tap of a finger. The new Diesel Full Guard 2.5 smartwatch will be available in select stores in India by November 2018 with a starting price of 24,495 rupees.